I'm not a therapist, but psychology plays a huge factor in our ability to be able to reach our financial goals. 80% of financial success stems from the way that we think and feel about money. And so it's really important for us to at least name these emotions, to understand what it is that we're feeling as we're working through these processes, so that our emotions and the way that we feel aren't inhibiting our success. As you work through this process, I encourage you just to observe yourself. Be aware of the way that you are thinking and feeling as you're working through this exercise. If you begin to feel overwhelmed or begin to feel some of these emotions, it's okay to take a break. And it's okay to find somebody that you trust to talk with you through this process. For me personally, it's helpful for me to ask myself, what is it that I'm feeling? So I need to name what it is, and what is the underlying driver of why I feel that way? If I'm feeling very overwhelmed at trying to figure something out, it's often because of a mental or cognitive overload. And in those cases, I just need to slow down. In other cases, it may be that I just need to take a break. I need to go for a walk. I need to do something other than what I'm doing right now and come back to it at a later date. That's okay. What we don't want is to get so burnt out trying to work through this process and to feel so overwhelmed that we never do it at all. Being able to name an emotion or be able to determine what cognitive bias I'm personally struggling with helps me work through it versus just continuing to avoid it and never make any progress.